Three-phase induction motors. Objectives: draw equivalent circuit as referred to stator. Explain with circuit diagrams how an induction motor is treated as generalized transformer. Draw vector diagram with for phase values. The transformer has two windings called primary and secondary. Similarly, induction motor also has two windings, stationary and rotating part. Those are stator and rotor windings. Electrical equivalent of mechanical power developed is P2 is equal to PC plus PM. I2 square R2 by S is equal to I2 square R2 plus I2 square R2 1 minus S by S. So here R2 by S can be expressed as R2 by S is equal to R2 plus R2 1 minus S by S. R2 is written same as it is, but here R2 into 1 minus S by S is nothing but a load, that is RL. RL represents the equivalent mechanical load. Here RL is equal to R2 into 1 minus S by S. So the rotor equivalent circuit can be modified as shown below. So here this is the modified here. This is the here this is modified. Here this is in general E1 we supply voltage. Here they written AC2, here the supply voltage actually I1 R1 X1 R0 X0 I mu IW I0. So here at primary side, that means at stator side, the induced EMF E1 and turns are N1. At secondary side, here induced EMF E2 and the current is I2, resistance R2 and reactance is X2. Here this is the load. This is the load that can be written as RL 1 minus S by S. This is the equivalent circuit. Here the rotor current I2 is equal to S into E2 by R2 plus JSX2. Now dividing numerator and denominator by S, then I2 is equal to E2 by R2 by S plus JX2. Equivalent circuit. The rotor side parameters can be transferred stator side as R2 dash is equal to R2 by K square. X2 dash is equal to X2 by K square. RL dash is equal to RL by K square. E2 dash is equal to E2 by K, that is equal to E1. Here all are the rotor side parameters are can be transferred stator side. I2 dash is equal to K into I2, where K is ratio of effective rotor to stator turns per phase. The following circuit shows the exact equivalent circuit as referred to stator. Here R1 V I1 X1 R0 IW I mu X0 I0. Here this circuit is referred to stator side. Here I2 dash is nothing but here, see here in the previous case, here I2 dash is K I2. Here I2 dash is K I2. This is the I2 dash, that is equal to K I2, and R2 here R2 dash is R2 by K square. X2 dash is X2 by K square. RL dash is RL by K square. E2 dash is equal to E2 by K1. R2 by K square, X2 by K square, RL by K square. Here RL by K square, and E2 dash is equal to E2 by K. E2 by K. Here RL dash is equal to R2 by 1 by K square into 1 minus S by S. This is a variable load, that is called fictitious load. This is in actual practice there is no load, but we are, so for equivalent circuit we are writing the here the we are assuming the load here. This is the fictitious load in actual practice. V1 is equal to, no, not V1. Here see, observe this one as referred to stator. Total here in previous, this R1 and R2 both are added, X1 and X2 are added. So R1 plus R2 dash is nothing but here R01, R1 plus R2 dash here, X1 plus X2 dash this. So this is V1 I1 R0 X0 I mu IW, I2 dash R0 X0 and RL dash. This is an equivalent circuit. Here the approximate equivalent circuit is obtaining by shifting the shunt branches R0 X0 to the supply terminals. Here approximate equivalent circuit, see here R0 X0 components are neglected here, R0 X0 components are neglected. Here the approximate equivalent circuit here supply I1, R01, X01, load RL dash, the total resistance and reactances are referred to stator side here. R01 is equal to R1 plus R2 dash, that is R1 plus R2 by K square. X01 is equal to X1 plus X2 dash, that is equal to X1 plus X2 by K square. The behavior of an induction motor is similar to that of a transformer. The vector or phasor diagram between two is similar. The phasor diagram is drawn on a for phase basis. The mutual flux is between the stator and rotor windings as the reference phasor. This flux includes the EMFs in stator and rotor. These EMFs under running conditions are E1 and E2, SE2 respectively, lagging pi by 90 degrees. Since the rotor winding is short circuited, the voltage SE2 sets up the rotor current I2 lagging by an angle pi 2. Pi 2 is equal to tan inverse of SE2 by R2. SE2 is equal to rotor impedance drop. Now SE2 is equal to R2 plus I2 into R2 plus JSX2. So here three-phase phasor diagram. This is the reference flux. Flux is the reference for stator and rotor. Here I naught is nothing but it is the combination of IW and I mu, which gives the I naught, and I1 is nothing but this is nothing but it is the combination of I2 dash plus I naught. Here the phase angle between V1 and I1 is pi 1. So V1 is nothing but minus E1 plus I1 R1 plus J I1 X1. So this will, so here this will give the resultant V1. Now here I2 dash, how I2 dash comes from the I2. This is the I2 cases. Here the I2 R2 is the I2 R2 is resistance drop. I2 SX2 is the reactance drop. These two resultants will give the SE2 here. This is the SE2. The angle between the I2 R2 and SE2 is pi 2. This is the pi 2. First is flux is drawing, then IW, flux and working component of current both are in phase, and I mu IW, I mu gives the I naught. This is the I naught current. IW I mu gives the I naught. Now I naught here SE2, the rotor side voltage, and also voltage at stator, and the I2 R2 this is I2 R2 and combination of the I2 R2 I2. So this is the pi 2 between the I2 I2 and SE2. I2 is opposite projection is I2 dash. I2 dash and I naught, which gives the I1. That is the I1. This is E1 V1 minus E1 I1 R1 I1 X1, and which gives the V1, and this I1 R1 I1 X1 is I1 Z1. This is the vector diagram. Pi 1 is between E1 and I1. Here I2 R2 I2 SX2, which gives the SE2. Vector diagram of induction motor. The stator current is I1 is equal to I1 I0 plus I2 dash, and the Phasor sum of E1 I1 R1 and I1 X1 gives the applied voltage V1. Cos pi 1 is the power factor of the stator and cos pi 2 is the power factor of the rotor circuit. V1 is equal to minus E1 plus I1 R1 plus JX1. So this is the summary of equivalent circuit is referred to stator, Phasor diagram of induction motor, and approximate equivalent circuit as referred to stator. This is the summary.